What's up guys? So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to find a village in Minecraft super fast. Finding a village in Minecraft is easier than most people think. While it can feel like you're endlessly wandering, there are three powerful tips that will help you locate the villages quickly whether you're Java or Bedrock edition. So the first step is know where to look. Villages only spawn in the following biomes: plains, desert, taiga, savanna, and snowy tundra. Avoid wasting time exploring biomes where villages never spawn. Focus on only these five biomes. Okay, now the second step or the second tip is basically you use render distance to spot villages. So first what gonna do is build about 100 blocks above the ground. What this will give you is you can see more over the horizon than when you're just plainly standing on the plains. I do think we're pretty much high up. Okay, as we can see a lot. Now what you have to do is basically increase the render distance. Go to options and then to video settings. And here the render distance is 10 chunks. I'm gonna increase it to 32. And let's see. Over here we can see a lot, and there we have spotted a village. So basically look around for any signs of a village. Even on mobile or lower ender devices, you can repeat this method multiple times by moving and building up again. It works, just requires a bit of effort with lower render settings. The last tip is you can use chunk paste to find exact coordinate. So what I'm gonna do is just enter the command seed and copy my seed here. Here I have copied it. Then I'm gonna go to a website called Chunkbase, and then I'm gonna go to apps and enter my world seed right here. What it's gonna do is give me all the coordinates of nearby villages, and here I can just see any of the nearby village, and after knowing the village I can just press F3. uh, Let me show you back. Here I can just press F3 and see which coordinates I am on, and I can easily just move towards the coordinates on which the villages are located. Try these tips and challenge yourself with a timer and see how many villages you can find under 1 minute. Use the second method and you'll see how effective these tricks are. That's pretty much for this video. If you guys liked it, please give me a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's all for today. Thank you very much.